If 100,000 keyword with all details given, then what would be the 3 insight from those keyword to optimize the ads? Now, I know you're from the Indian subcontinent, because this 1 lakh means is 100,000. I have written 100,000 over here for those of you who don't understand what 1 lakh means. Now, it looks like this is a trick question, or a question which is quite often asked in an interview. And if that is the case, then you need to be confident in saying this to the interviewer. 100,000 keywords is going to make you crazy. I mean, I've never run a campaign with so many keywords, to be honest with you. So it's impractical, and that is the insight I would tell them. It's literally impractical. The 3 insights would be: don't do it. That's the only thing. Unless and until it's a huge account and you got hundreds of campaigns, then that could be something where you need to have a team to go after this account. But it's not one person's job to go after that, and to manage it and to optimize it would be impossible. You will need AdWords or Google Ads scripts and some kind of automation to handle such volume of keywords. I'm sure accounts like Amazon will have millions of keywords, in fact, not hundreds of thousands, but that is on a completely different playing field. So I can't give you any insight, because I've not seen 100,000 keywords in an account ever. And obviously, if you are running with these keywords, then you will need to keep them separately so that the keyword is relevant to the ad. There's no way in the world you can have all of these keywords in one campaign or an ad group and then the ads are optimized. And when you talk about optimizing the ads, it's the relevancy. The keyword must be on the ad. You cannot have 100,000 keywords on the ad, actually. So what I would recommend you do is either you go after some kind of bespoke automation or scripts to help you manage with this volume of keywords. You will definitely need to know how to use the Google Ads editor. Without that, it is literally impossible. You will not be able to use this or to run with these.